Let's talk about 5 tips and tricks you should know about WhatsApp. Number 1, if you ever want to write a word or sentence with bold font on it, all you need to do is just put an asterisk sign before and after that, and it will appear bold on the other end. Number 2, if for some reason you ever want to have a line go through a sentence or a word, all you need to do is put that sign that's a wavy eyebrow looking sign that's right beside the number 1 on your keyboard. Put that before and after that word or sentence, and it will appear on the other end. Number 3, if you ever want to make the text look italic, you need to put an underscore before and after it. If you ever sent an emoji to the other person that they don't actually have on their phone, WhatsApp will generate a random emoji similar to that and show it to them. If you just send one emoji, it will be a lot bigger on the other end. However, if you send more than one, it will just be a regular size. That's all I have for you guys today about WhatsApp. I hope you guys liked this quick video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.